Hi guys, my name is Sarshita and I am currently doing BTech in Information Technology in Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering. So basically, first of all, I was interested in many of the skills, but I found MERN Stack skill one of the most important in today's work culture. And इसमें basically थोड़ा interest मेरे अंदर आने लगा, and I started looking upon the courses. But coincidentally, in my college, there was a training program related to MERN Stack, so I enrolled in it, and that was provided by Brain Mentors, and that is linked with the application skill risers. So इसमें basically ये था कि I was really interested in I'm actually interested in front end, but I also get interested in back end too when I get to know about MERN Stack course, and the course was provided was led by the mentor Amit Srivastav sir. So he is by far one of the most knowledgeable person I've ever known, and he explained every concept deeply and thoroughly. And the thing is that he is very much interactive in the class. He also tells about our future goals and how we have to live nicely in our lifestyle, and कैसे हमें lifestyle approaches भी सर काफ़ी अच्छे से बताते हैं हमें, so that we can implement it and we can make our future good. So going back to the course, he covered all the important topics in the training which was provided, so that we can make basic applications after that. Also, he have provided the skills riser app, so that we can see the recorded lectures and we can recall our learnings again and again, so that we can uh, um, actually build our application more strong. So basically, and now coming back to the mentors, we were also provided by one more mentor, Yash Tyagi sir. So he cleared all our doubts, जो भी हम क्लास में उनसे पूछते थे, even a single doubt, and he also extends the time. मतलब कभी कभार ऐसा होता था कि हम लोग doubts पूछते थे and time increase हो गया, so he always clears the doubts. And last, I will like to say you that if you want to join any of the training, so I think the training provided by Skill Riser is by far one of the best trainings that is provided by Amit Srivastav sir. So you can actually take this course, and I think that is this course is very helpful for you. Thank you.